Hey, Gaurab here, and today I want to talk to you about something called mindset. A lot of you guys, most of them, 90% of them are not going to make any money online. And the reason is unless and until you change the way you think, it's not going to change the results for you. Imagine a person who is making 40,000, 50,000, 100,000, $1 million per month, and on the other hand, if someone who is still struggling and who is trying to make at least five, $400 per month, but he is not able to get that. Even so, what happens is the people who are making a lot of money, there is a different way. There is a they think in a different way. They do different things. They have different rituals. They do things differently. So if you want to be one of them, you need to make a change in your mind. You need to have a change in your mindset. And so the good thing is it's not difficult to develop that mindset. So it comes by repetition. If you listen to some good thoughts, some good things each and every day for at least 15 minutes, 20 minutes, it's going to help you a lot. So whatever something happens, like whenever I start a project, whenever I do something, and there will always be chances that you think that it's not going to work out. You're not going to make it. But what I usually do, I just put on my headphones, I hit the gym, I listen to some good thoughts, I listen to some motivational talks, some inspirational talks, to some strategies, and after coming out of gym for 30 minutes, I'm a different man. And one more thing I do is when I go to sleep, I again put my headphone on and try to feed myself with positive thoughts, try to remind me of my goals, and these two things have really helped me to stay positive and keep working hard and keep working consistently towards what I want to achieve. Try to implement this. Try to listen to good thoughts. Try to listen to some motivation or inspiration thing, maybe from Tony Robbins, Les Brown, Gary Vaynerchuk. A lot of guys are there. Just YouTube it. Listen to for these for 15-20 minutes. Feed yourself good stuff. When you feed your body with good nutrition, you become healthy. So in the same way, you need to feed your mind correctly, and in turn, it will do wonders for you. So thank you so much. I hope you like this.